Next question number 31. PQR started a business with the investment ratio of 20:24:22 respectively. After 1 year, Q withdraw 25% of his initial investments and P increased his investment by 50%. After 2 years, in what ratio should the profit should be distributed respectively or not? And here already P investment are changed or unchanged? Changed. Q investment also changed, but there is no changes in R investment or not. Means R must be 11 multiple or not. How many options are 11 multiples in R? Only one or not? That is the answer. What is the P initial investment? 20 parts or not? The 20 parts are used for how many years? 1 year or 2 years? 1 year. After 1 year, P increased his capital by how much percent? 50%. Already 20. What is the 50% of 20? 10. 20 plus 10, 30. That 30 are used for another 1 year or not? Next, what is the Q initial investment? 24. That 24 are used for how many years? 1 year. After 1 year, how much percent are withdraw? 25%. What is the 25% of 24? 6. 24 minus 6. Remaining investment 18. 18 parts are used for 1 year or not? Next, what is the third person investment? 22. Used for how many years? 2 years or not? Okay. First one, 20 plus 30 or not? What is the 20 plus 30? 50. Second one, 24 plus 18. 42. Third one, 22 2 times. 44 or not? Then profits are distributed 50, 42, 44. Which option? Fourth option or not? Next question number 32. 3 persons X, Y, Z whose annual salaries together is 12,88,000 spends 75, 80 and 60% of their salaries respectively. If their savings are in the ratio 8:7:10, then what is the Z monthly salary approximately or not? We require Z monthly salary approximate or not? Okay. First, out of the X salary, how much percent are spending? 75%. Or the remaining savings? 25% or not? 25% of X or not? 25% of X. Next, what is the Z salary? Z salary are Z. Out of Z, how much percent are spending? 60%. Or the remaining saving? 40%. 40% of which value? Z or not? 25% of X means savings of X. 40% of Z means savings of Z. It is equal to which ratio? 8:10 or not? 8:10. 10 how many times? 40? 4 times or not? Then X by Z equal to 32/25 or not? 32/25. And one more here, Z monthly total salary of 3 persons is how much? 12,88,000. X and Z are getting. Again we required which one? Y value or not? Again we required Y value. In Y case we return 25% of X by what is the Y salary? How much percent are spending? 80%. Then remaining 20% are savings or not? 20% of which value? Y value or not? It is equal to what is the ratio? 8/7 or not? 8/7. 5 how many times? 25? 5 times. 5 how many times? 20? 4 times or not? Then X by Y equal to 32/35 or not? X represents how many parts? 32 parts. Y represents 35. Z represents 25 parts or not? Total how many parts? 35 plus 25. 60 plus 32. 92 parts or not? What is the 92 parts value? 12,88,000 or not? Next, out of this one we required which one salary? Z. Z means how many parts? 25 parts or not? 25/92 of 1,28,000 means we are get the annual salary or not? But we required monthly salary or annual salary? Monthly salary means by 12 or into 12? By 12. Solving this one, approximately we are getting 29,000 we are getting. $25 by 92 of 12880 by 12 we are get the per month value of Z. Per month salary of Z. Next question number 33. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 360 minutes and 480 minutes respectively. If they are turned on alternatively for 60 minutes, each starting with B. Amount of time taken by them to fill the tank or not. First of all, 360 minutes means how many hours? 6 hours or not. And 480 minutes means how many hours? 8 hours or 7 hours? 8 hours. First one is 6 hours of time, second one are 8 hours of time or not. Okay, what is the LCM of 6, 8? 24 or not. Means total tank capacity is how many liters? 24 liters. 6 how many times? 4 times. 8 how many times? 3 times or not. But here they are turned alternatively 60 minutes each. Nothing but alternatively 60 minutes means 1 hour or 2 hours? 1 hour. First one is B, second 1 hour are A, third 1 hour are B or not. Alternatively B and A are not. 60 minutes means 1 hour or 2 hours? 1 hour. First 1 hour B is open, second 1 hour A, again third 1 hour B, next fourth 1 hour A or not. Then every 2 hours how many liters are filled? 7 liters or not. Every 2 hours 7 liters are filled. After 6 hours, how many liters are filled? 21 liters or not. Every 2 hours 7 liters means after 6 hours 21 liters or not. What is the remaining tank? 3 liters or not. In 6th hour which one are opened? A is open, but next 1 hour B is open or not. What is the next 1 hour value of B? 3 liters or not. Next 1 hour B how many liters are adding? 3 liters or not. First 2 hours 7 liters, next 2 hours also 7 liters, next 2 hours also 7 liters. After 6 hours how many liters are filled? 21. In 6th hour which one are opened? A is open, but in next 7th hour which one are open? A is open. A or B? B. B 1 hour value is how many liters? 3 liters or not. Then total tank are filled 24 liters. How much time are taken? 7 hours or not. Alternate concept, alternate hours. Next question number 34. A boat covers certain distance upstream in 6 hours, but it takes 3 hours to go downstream. If the speed of the boat is 30 km per hour, find the speed of the current or not. In upstream how much time are taken? 6 hours, but in downstream 3 hours or not. Okay, downstream time and upstream time. Equal distance means speed and time are inversely proportional, directly proportional. Inversely proportional. What is the time ratio? Downstream time are 6 hours, upstream time are 3 hours, upstream time are 6 hours. What is the time ratio? 1:2. Then speeds ratio 2:1 or not. Downstream speed is how many parts? 2 parts. Upstream speed are 1 part. Then speed of the boat by speed of the stream equal to 2:1 ratio, nothing but it will be 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 or not. Downstream speed is how many parts? 2 parts. Upstream speed are 1 part. Then speed of the boat are 2 plus 1 by 2 or not. Speed of the stream are 2 minus 1 by 2 or not. Then we are get the ratio 3:1 or 3 plus 1. 3:1. 3:1. Speed of the boat are 3 parts. Speed of the stream are 1 part. What is the 1 part value? Already 3 parts are given how much? 30. Then 1 part value 10 or not. Downstream speed 2 parts. Upstream speed 1 part. Then speed of the boat means these two are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. Then speed of the stream means these two are subtracting by 2 or not. 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2. Next 35. By selling an article for 1920, A can get double the profit than the profit he will get by selling it for 1680. What is the cost price of the article? Okay. 1920 it is 12 multiple. 1680 also 12 multiple. Difference also 12 multiple. First option 12 multiple. No. Second option no. Third option no. Fourth option no. Fifth option yes or not? That is the answer. By selling an article for 1920 or not? Okay. What is the selling price of the article? 1920. Okay. First case. What is the second case selling price? 1680. What is the difference in selling prices? 240 or not? First case profit are 2 parts. Second case profit are 1 part. What is the difference in profit? 1 part or not? Profits, both are in profits or not? One is 2 parts profit, another one are 1 part profit. What is the difference in profits? 1 part. Then every 1 part equal to how much value? 240 or not? 1 part value 240. 1680 it is selling price or cost price? Selling price. Out of 1680, profit value is how many rupees? 240 or not? Subtracting, we are get the cost price or not? 1680 minus 240, how many rupees? 1440 or not? 1680 selling price or cost price? Selling price. 240 profit. Subtracting cost price or not? Next question number 36. Pipes P and Q together can fill a tank in 15 minutes. If both the pipes are open together and after 10 minutes pipe P is closed and the remaining tank is filled by Q in how much time are taken? 10 minutes. Then how much time Q alone can fill the tank or not? First of all, P and Q together can fill the whole tank in how many minutes? 15 minutes. What is the 1 minute work of P plus Q? 1 by 15 or not? But P plus Q is open for how many minutes? 10 minutes or not? 10 minutes open means it is filled by 10 by 15 or not? 10 by 15 means it is 2/3 or only 1/3? 2/3 means out of 3 parts, 2 parts already filled by which one? P plus Q or not? What is the remaining tank? 1/3 or not? Means Q will be filled only 1/3 tank or total tank? 1/3 tank. Out of the 3 parts, 1 part are filled by Q. How much time are taken? 10 minutes. Means 1 part are filled by Q. How many minutes? 10 minutes. Then 3 parts time are 30 minutes or not? Next question number 37. In the election of question number 37. In the election of a village, only 2 candidates, Amitabh and Bachchan, contested. 11% of the voters did not vote and 750 votes were declared as invalid. The candidate Amitabh got 2250 votes more than his opponent and he secured 45% of the total votes. Then find the total number of votes who did not vote or not. Okay, first one is Amitabh, another one are Bachchan or not. Okay, suppose total number of votes we are consider X. Total number of votes are X. Out of the X votes, how many votes are did not vote? 11% are not vote or not? Means how much percent are vote? 89% of X or not? 89% of X is voted or not? In that, how many votes are declared as invalid? 750. Out of 89% of X, 750 are declared as invalid or not? Then 89% of X minus 750, it is valid votes or not? That valid votes are received by 2 candidates or only 1 candidate? 2 candidates. One is A, another one are B. And here A is already getting how many votes? 45%. He secured 45% of the total votes or not? Means A getting how much percent? 45% of X or not? 45% of valid votes are 45% of the total votes. 45% of total votes. But his opponent, compared to his opponent, how many votes are more getting? 2250 more or not? Means his opponent is getting 45% of X minus 2250 or not? 2250. 45% of X means it is A votes. 45% of X minus 2250 B votes or not? These two are adding, it is equal to total votes or not? Left hand side and right hand side both are equal or not? Solving this one, we are get the X value or not? Okay, 45% of X and 45% of X both are adding 90. 90 and 89 difference 1%. 1% of X it is equal to minus 2250 and plus 750. Difference is how much? 1500 or not? 1% of X equal to 1500. What is the question here? Find the total number of voters who did not vote. How much percent we need? 11% or not? 11%. Directly we required number of voters did not vote or not? 165. Nothing but 16,500. Without solving this one, we required which one actually? 11% of X or not? How many options are 11 multiples? Only one or not? Next question number 38. X, Y, Z enter into a partnership with respective ratio of 35:32:44. After 6 months, X is increases his investment by 28.4% and Y increases his capital by 25%. At the end of the 1 year, the profit earned by Z is 16,665. Find the total profit earned. What is the X initial investment? 35. What is the Y initial investment? 32. Z initial investment? 44. After 6 months, X is increases his investment by 28.4/7%. 28.4/7% means what is the fraction? 2/7 or not? 2/7. Out of 7 parts, how many parts are increased? 2 parts. 2/7 of 35. 2/7 of 35. 10. 35 plus 10. 45. 35 parts are used for how many months? 6 months. Then 45 parts are used for remaining 6 months or not? Remaining 6 months. What is the second person? Y increases his capital by how much percent? 25%. 25% adding or subtracting? Adding. Already 32 parts or not? 32 parts for 6 months. 25% of 32 means 8. 32 plus 8. 40 used for further 6 months or not? Okay. Next. Any changes in Z? No. 35 into 6 plus 45 into 6. All are indivisible by 2 or not? 2 or 4? 35 into 6. 210 or not? 45 into 6. R 6 common or not? 35 plus 45. 80. 80 into 6. 480 or not? Next, 32 into 6 and 40 into 6. 72 into 6 or not? 72 into 6. It is 432 or not? And third one, 44 into how many months? 12 months or not? Okay. 44 into 12. All are in 2 multiples, 6 multiples or not? 6 how many times? First one 80 times. 6 how many times? 72. Next 6 how many times? 88 or not? 80, 72 and 88. Again all are divided by 8 or not? 8 how many times? 10, 9, 11 or not? 10 is to 9 is to 11. Total how many parts? 30 parts. And here which one profit are given? Z profit are given, but we require total profit. Z profit is how many parts? 11 parts. 11 parts is given 16,665. 16,665. We require total profit. How many parts we need? 30 parts or not? 3 multiple number of possibilities. It is 353530 or not? Sorry, 454540. 45450. 11 how many times? 15 times or not? Again 15 times or not? 11 15s how much? 165. Again 165 or not? 30 into 15 15 15s. Nothing but 45450. Next 39th question. A sum of 165 rupees is in the form of 2 rupees, 1 rupee and 50 paise coins in the ratio of 1:2:3 respectively. How many 1 rupee coins are there in the box or not? Okay. Suppose 1 rupee coins are 2 parts. Sorry, 1 rupee coins are 2 parts. 2 rupee coins are 1 part. 50 paise coins are 3 parts or not? Okay. What is the denomination of 2 rupees coins? 1 or 2? 2 into 1 part or not? 2 into 1 part plus what is the 1 rupee value? 1 into 2 parts or not? Plus half into 3 parts or not? Half into 3 parts. All these are adding, we are get the total amount or not? What is the total amount value? 165 or not? 165. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1.5 or not? Means it is total 5.5. Means 11/2 parts or not? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1.5 means total it is 5.5 or not? 5.5 means written 11/2 or not? 11/2 parts equal to 165. 11 how many times? 15 times or not? Then every one part equal to how much? 30. But we required which one coins? 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins means how many parts? 2 parts or 1 part? 2 parts. 2 parts are 60. Next question number 40. The average weight of 24 members is increased by 2.5 kgs when a man of 60 kgs is replaced by a new man. Find the weight of the new man or not? We need to identify the new man weight. New man weight means it is equality value plus increased value or decreased value? Increased value. What is the equality value? 24 or not? Equality value 24 or new weight, it is equal to which one? Old person weight plus which one? Increased value or decreased value? Increased value. Old person weight. What is the old person weight? 60 plus increased value. Increased value nothing but number of persons into average or not? Number of persons into average increased. What is the number of persons here? 24. Average increased value 2.5 or not? 24 into 2.5. 60 or not? 60 plus 60. 120 or not? If you are adding the one person, the average are one person is replaced by one person means there is no change in total number of persons or not? How much average are increased? 2.5 means every person also increased by 2.5 or not? Total how many persons are there? 24 persons. Then 24 persons how much sum are increased? 60. That 60 is added to old person or not? Next question number 41. Next. Simplifications. Verification of the units position. 43 minus 23. 20 or not? Minus 2 cube becomes it will be plus 2 cube or not? Okay. 20 plus 8. 28. Plus 28 minus 59. 18 minus 9 means ending with 9 or not? 9 means square of which one? Either 3 square or 7 square. How many options are ending with either 3 or 7? Only one option or not? something square, it is equal to ending with 9 or not? 9 nothing but either 3 square or 7 square. Next question number 42. Use the units position or not? 9 square how much? 1. 1 square 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 8 or not? 12 minus 8 means ending with 4. 4 nothing but it is the square of either 2 or 8 or not? Either 2 or 8. How many options are ending with 8? Only one option or not? Next question number 43. Verify the last two digits. What is the 41 square? What is the 41 square? 1681 ending with 81 or not? What is the 8 square value? 64 plus 64 or not? Next 22 square 484 minus 84 or not? Okay, 81 and 84 difference minus 3 or not? 64 minus 3 61 ending with 61. Only one option or not? Next question number 44. Eight % of which value? 512 or not? 8% of 512 means it is 8 into 512 by 100 or not? 8 into 512 by 100. 8 5s are how much? 40. 8 12s are 96. It is 1296 or not? 4096 by 100 means 40.96 or not? 40.96. What is the first value? 58.31 plus second value 40.96. 40.96. 217.21. It will be written as minus value or plus value? Minus 217.21 or not? Actually we required question mark into 13 or not? It is equal to 217.21 minus 47% of 2, nothing but 94 by 100 or not? Means 0.94 minus 8 5s are how much? 40.96 minus 58.31 or not? 58.31. 217.21 minus 0.94 minus 40.96 minus 58.31. It is actual question or not? Minus 94 and minus 96. 1.90 or not? 1.90. 1.90 and 0.31. 2.21 or not? 2.21. 7.21 minus 2.21. What is the remaining value? 215 or not? 215 minus 40 minus 58. 98. 215 minus 98. 117. That 117 equal to something into 13 or not? 13 almost how many times? 9 times or not? Little bit calculative. Next question number 45. Verify the units position or not? 2 2s are how much? 4. 4 8s are 32. 2 minus 9 or not? 12 minus 9 means ending with 3. How many options? 2 options or not? Okay. 32 into 12 into how much value? 18 or not? First 18 30 is how much? 540. 18 2s are 36. Total it is 576. Into how many times we need? 12 times or not? 12 into 500 6000 or not? 12 into 70 times 840 or not? Next 12 6 are how much? 72 or not? 6000 cancel or not? 800 cancel or not? 40 plus 72, 112 ಅನ್ನೋದು. Out of 112 we are subtracting 81 ಅನ್ನೋದು. What is the remaining value? 23. Next 46th question. 33 1/3% means what is the fraction? 1/3. 1/3 of which value? 768. It is 256 or not? 1/3 of 768 means 256 plus 23 17/21% of which value? 357. First 21 20s 420 or not? 420 plus 3. 21 20s how much? 420. 420 plus 63 how much? 483. 483 plus 17 500. 500 by 21% or not? Means 500 by 2100 or not? Zeros are cancelled. It will be 5 by 21 of which value? 357 or not? 21 ones are how much? 21. Remaining value 147. How many times? 7 times or not? Plus 284 or not? 284. First adding the hundreds positions. 200 plus 200 400. 56 plus 84 140 or not? 140. 400 plus 140 540 or not? 540 plus 5 into 17 or not? 85. Total it is 625. Which one square? 25 square. R verify the units position. 6 plus 5 1. 1 plus 4 5. Ending with 5. Only one option or not? Square 5 means ending with also 5 or not? Next 47. Verify the last 2 digits of every value. 41 minus 32 9. 9 plus 50 59. Left hand side last 2 digits value 59. What is the right hand side last 2 digits value? 59. Both are cancelled or not? Okay. What is the remaining value in left hand side? 4 minus 2 2. 2 plus 16 18. Left hand side 18. Right hand side 12 plus 5 17. Difference 100 or not? That 100 equal to which one square? 10 square or not? Next question number 48. First priority 40% of 600 or not? Or the 40% of 600? 240. 240 minus 250 minus 10 or not? It is left hand side or not? Or the right hand side value? 75% of 700. 75% of 700. What is the 50% value? 350. 25% 175. Total it is 525. Negative becomes positive or not? Plus 525. Next minus 22% of 500 plus 110 or minus 110? Plus 110 or not? 110 minus 10 100. 100 plus 525 625. It is square of 25. Next 49. Square root of 7921. It is 89 or not? Square root of 5776. 76 or not? More than 75 or not? 89 minus 76. 13 or not? We require 13 square or 13? 13 square. What is the 13 square? 169. Next question number 50. 1625 into how much value? 4 by 5. First 4 by 5 means it is 80% or not? Compared to 80%, it is division or easy or not? Okay. 5 how many times? 3 2 5 or not? 325 into how many times? 4 times. 4 into 300 1200. 4 into 25 100. Overall it is 1300 minus cube root of 64 means 4. 4 into 240 960 or not? Minus 960 or not? 1300 minus 960. 340 by how much value? 5. We are getting 68. Which option? Fourth one. Next question number 51. 60% of 400 plus 144 divided by 24 equal to 6 into something or not? Left hand side 6 common, right hand side also 6 common or not? 6 how many times 144? 24 times or not? 6 how many times 60? 10 times or not? 10% of 400, 40. 24 by 24, 1. Total it is 41. Next, first priority bracket values are not? 444 divided by 6, again divide by 37 or not? First 37 ones are how much? 37. Remaining value 74. How many times it is? 2 times or not? 12 by 6 means 2. Means total value bracket is 2 or not? 52 plus 2. 52 plus 2. 54 plus 10. 64. Which one square? 8 square or not? Next. First priority bracket value or not? 25 by 5. 5. 12 plus 5. 17. 28 minus 17. 11. అన్నీ ఇలా ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది కదా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 54. Continuation division or not? Numerator is the first term, remaining are denominator's product or not? Okay. 81 means it is 3 power 5 or not? 9 means 3 square or not? Sorry, 81 means 3 power 4. Denominator 3 square, 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1 or not? 3 power 5. 3 power 4 by 3 power 5. We are getting 1 by 3 or not? Okay. Next question number 55. 0.6 into 285 divided by which value? 3 square. 0.6 means written 6 by 10 or not? Into how much value? 285 by 9 or not? Okay. 6. 10 into 9 how much? 90. 6 by 90 means we are getting how many times? 15 times or not? 15 how many times? 285. 15 ones are 135 means 9 times or not? It is 19. What is the 9 square value? 81. 19 plus 81. 100 or not? Which option? Third one. Already wrong number series complete. Next 61 to 65. Table are given. This table shows the number of people who watched 4 different movies W, X, Y, Z during how many days? 5 days, and from Monday to Friday. Okay. What is the first question? What was the respective ratio between the total number of people who watched movie W on Wednesday and Friday together, and those who watched movie X on the same days or different days? Same days. W on Wednesday, how much? 16. W on Friday, 28. 16 plus 28, 44. 44 means it is 11 multiple or not? How many options are first values 11 multiples? Only one. Which option? Fifth option. Next question number 62. If the number of people who watched movie X on Saturday was 22 more than those who watched the same movie on Monday, what was the total number of people who watched movie X on Saturday? X on Saturday value compared to Monday value 22 more or not? What is the X value on Monday? 36. Compared to this one 22 more or not? Then answer 36 plus 22. How much? 58. Next question number 63. The number of people who watched the movie Z on Friday was approximately what percent of those who watched the same movie on Tuesday? What is the Z value on Friday? 70. Z value on Tuesday? 52. How much value are? But we required is what percent or not? Is what percent? 70 by which one? 52 into 100 or not? 4 how many times denominator? 13 times. 4 how many times 100? 25 or not? 70 into 25. 1750 by how much value? 13 or not? 1750 by 13. First 13 13 how much? 169. Here options are given wrong. Actual answer will be 130 something or not? 13 13 how much? 169. What is the remaining value? 169 complete. 60 or not? Means 4 times or not? 134 something we are getting. Options are wrong. We required approximately means we return 120 or 166 or 180? 120. 166 or 120? 120 is the nearby value. 120 is the nearby value because 134 and 166, what is the difference? 32. 134, 120 difference 14. Which one is the nearby value? 120 or not? Next 64th question. What was the average number of people watched movie Y on Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday? What is the Y value on Tuesday? 50. Wednesday 45. Friday 22. 50 plus 45 95 plus 22 117. Average means by 3 or not? We are getting 39. Next 65. What was the difference between the total number of people who watched the movies W and Z together on Monday and those who watched the same movies together on Thursday? What is the W value on Monday? 25. Z value on Monday? 54. Both are adding 79. On Thursday, both the values 20 plus 62, 82. What is the difference? 3 or not? Okay. Thank you.